BITSAT, or Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission Test, is a university-level exam conducted by the BITS. This exam is conducted once a year by Birla Institute of Technology and Science to enroll students in engineering and other programs. The exam is usually held in the month of May over a period of 10 to 15 days in which students select their own preferred date of examination from the available dates. Hi, I'm Karthik and this is Youth of Work, and today we'll talk about the BITSAT. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria of the BITSAT exam. Aspirants must have passed the class 12th examination from a recognized central or state board or its equivalent with physics, chemistry and mathematics as compulsory subjects. They should also possess adequate proficiency in English. Candidate must have scored minimum of 60% overall in 12th class with 75% or more in physics, chemistry and maths. There is no age limit for appearing in BITSAT. Candidates currently appearing for their 12th class exam can also appear for BITSAT. Now let us talk about the exam pattern for the BITSAT exam. The BITSAT will be a 180 minutes long online test without any break. The total number of questions asked will be 150. The question will be asked only in the English language. No calculators will be allowed in the examination centers, but students will be provided with papers to rough work. BITSAT has 4 sections. First, physics carrying 40 objective type questions. Second, chemistry carrying 40 objective type questions. Third section has 2 parts. First is English proficiency carrying 15 objective type questions, and second is logical reasoning carrying 10 objective type questions. Last section is mathematics carrying 40 objective type questions. For every correct answer, 3 marks are rewarded, and for every wrong answer, 1 mark is deducted. Now let us talk about some tips that will help you in the exam. You need speed to finish BITSAT within prescribed time limit. Go through the topics in the exam syllabus and start with the ones that you are good at. Practice reasoning and mathematics problems by memorizing formulas. After each study session, keep 1 hour for revision of topics, practice. Learn chemistry reaction by writing over and over. Make mathematics your strong suit. Practice questions to solve them within the time to increase efficiency. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Practice mock tests and practice paper to know your weaknesses. For that, you can try the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work.